when you are busy. Don't say every time I'm busy. Speak smart English. चलो I am busy ना smart English sentence सीखिए. From basic to fluent. First basic level. I am busy. હું વ્યસ્ત છું. Now better level. I am a little busy. હું થોડી વ્યસ્ત છું. Now fluent level. I am tied up right now. અત્યારે હું ખૂબ જ વ્યસ્ત છું. Let's see an example. I am tied up right now. I will call you later. અત્યારે હું ખૂબ જ વ્યસ્ત છું. તને પછી ફોન કરીશ. So guys, remember, fluent English sounds natural, not textbook. Natural English બોલો. Write in comment. Day 9 done. Every day speak English at least 1 minute. See you soon tomorrow.